Bahlali, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Palesa's Space. I am your girl, Palesa Somi, and I have two lovely guests. So now we're gonna play Who Knows isiZulu Best, but with a twist, it's now Who Knows Sepedi Best. Before I continue explaining the game and the challenge, I need to introduce them, or they can introduce themselves. This is Bumi!
Bumi Olelo.
Yes! And then this summarize.
This is Bruce, the TDH.
Yes! Okay!
Alright! TDH.
TDH. What is TDH for?
Hey, Bo.
You don't know.
What's
I'm
TDH?
confused, actually.
Tall, dark, and handsome.
Oh! Okay!
Ucha! Cha-cha! Alright.
Okay.
We see you, Mr. Tall, dark, and handsome.
Did not see that coming. Did not see that one coming. Okay. You guys already know it, but I'm just gonna explain it for the first time viewers. He's gonna give us, because he's a Betty person, obviously. We are the Zulu Queens. From KZN. Let's guys see back to Selepe, guys. I'm gonna say I'm me, I'm from KZN, right? Born and bred KZN. She is from
Joburg.
Yes, which means she knows Gangan, Sepedi Gangan, but I'm gonna bring in my Zulu-ness, Tlaganpile-ness, you know, and try to conquer, and then we'll see how that goes. So he's gonna give us like 10 or 15 phrases of Sepedi, of Sepedi, of Sepedi, and then some words, and then we are gonna try and interpret that and tell him what it means. So we're gonna get like 10 seconds. Do you guys have a timer? 10 seconds, write it down, and then when that 10 seconds is over, and then we're gonna say what that word means or what that idiom or phrase means.
Wait, so we can't see each other's answers?
No, we can't. And when 10 minutes is up, you have to say what you wrote, whatever it is what you wrote down. Even I don't, please. Okay. Bruce, the first word.
So the first word is Sefatanaga.
Sefatanaga.
What?
Sefatanaga.
I'm not starting. I don't know. Okay, I think it's a cross.
A cross?
Yeah.
A cross is like, it's Pamban.
It's Pamban.
Okay, I said sweetheart or fat and sit.
I like this one. I like Palesa's.
I said Sefatanaga because I'm saying Sifata. Nah.
I like how you
like
should actually break it. You know, like
yes,
you just try to break it down.
Yeah, but guys, it hasn't clanged, I mean.
What was yours?
A cross.
Okay, and then what are you?
Why are you calling a crossing?
It's Pamban.
It's fine, but you're about to define Naka as well.
I don't know, man. Isn't it like a land or sea or something?
How did you come up with a cross then?
Because a land, Ganjan, guys.
Yeah.
Yo.
Because I don't know. I just decided I'm gonna do a cross.
Okay. Do I tell you what it is?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright.
Sefatanaga, it's a car.
No way.
I'm telling you.
I'm Nama, Bruce.
Oh, Bruce.
I'm telling you. So,
hey guys.
Jani,
it's
how
a
is it a
car.
car?
So
What's Sefatanaga?
Sefata, it's like, it's not really a dig, but like it kind of like scrape on the ground up of that.
Oh,
so like when it
okay.
moves,
It
like
digs on the ground.
So yeah, it's leaving marks or traces
on the land.
On the land. So then they end up going with Sefatanaga. That's how it came about.
Okay. Oh, which like who sits Gangnam Bengia Kona?
Palesa, no way.
Heck no.
Okay.
Heck no.
Second
0-0.
Okay. Okay, this one is Mokokotlo.
Oh, I know this one.
Bumi, are you copying?
I'm done.
Right.
I'm done.
Okay, timer. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay.
Now you start, Palesa.
Okay, I said it's either a shack or your bag. Because it's umkokotlo. I thought umkokotlo.
Yeah.
Is that what it is in?
In Zulu, it's umkokotlo.
What's that?
Your back, spine, back, yeah.
That's good. What about you?
Back.
Now you got it.
Yeah.
You got it.
Palesa started writing shack now, guys, but like we have to acknowledge the fact that Palesa wrote shack here.
Yeah, I said shack. Oh, because even no pattern sit, I said sit hard or pattern.
That means minus a mark.
You can't
be writing. That means you're not sure what you're saying. That means minus comma 0.5.
Nah, let's give it to her.
I took
The
it.
shack part, yeah. That's
Right.
fine. We'll give it to you. The fact that it's there, right?
Yeah.
Go to the next word, Sichidi fudge.
Is that a phrase or?
It's a word.
Really?
Sichidi fudge.
Sitidi
Sichidi fudge.
Sitidi fati.
I
Sitidi fati.
Pens down. Ball.
It's just a V, and I don't know. I don't know.
I don't like a bowl. Sitidi fati.
Like
Fati. Isn't it sitting down, fati?
What? You and breaking things down the way you do.
this person is giving us the most difficult words ever.
It's not fati sitting down. Pants.
Stembiso. Is it just Stembiso? Promise, no, it's not.
Sitidi fati, you know. Yo, I wasn't sure. Yeah.
It's a fridge.
Hi, Bruce. Hi. I'll cast with Sitidi fati who get up a fridge.
Sounds like somebody's name, right?
No.
Who get up a fridge?
Why are we putting the umbali in the fridge?
Hi.
That's a fridge. It's a fridge.
I've never heard this word in my whole
Can you
life.
break down the is the word breakdownable? If that's is it breakdownable? Can you break it down?
Can you break it down?
Is it a one word even in your language?
It is a one word, yeah.
Hi, Bruce.
My dictionary, can we break down the word?
If it's nila selap,
Can we break down the word?
Even it.
Sichidi fudge.
I don't think so.
Do people use that word all the time? Do you like, please go get thaka or whatever from Ishtirifats, whatever?
What, you want to
I
get,
like
you want
the rurals though.
Yeah, you want to hear
And
all the
also
time.
if it's nil up in the rurals.
Palesa, you said petty words, right? I'm giving you petty words.
Yeah, I'm saying word ni tata be free.
What do you mean?
It's like you know how
Palesa.
Palesa, is this what
has a
happens?
point.
I know she has a point, but she doesn't have a point.
Palesa, no. She's basically saying people in the rural areas don't have fridges.
yeah, no,
Yeah.
if that language you shouldn't have fridge. Ni tata
Maybe in case of land.
because
Because we in the shop, we buy it.
okay.
Words are
That's
always...
why we have a word. And this word is old.
Oh, okay.
Alright, let's move, guys.
Nice. It's okay.
And number 4 is Seyalimoya.
Seyalimoya.
Yeah, Seyalimoya.
Seyalimoya.
Can we directly translate it? The way we would
You can
understand
break it.
it?
You can
Movie
break it
bala,
down. You can
movie.
break it
Bala,
down.
time.
Timer starts.
Seyalimoya.
Seyalimoya. Like the other one.
I started the last time.
No, I said you both. I was doing the both thing. You didn't write anything.
Okay, I was like going with the wind.
Oh, hamba no more. Yeah, that makes sense. Hamba no more. Stay no more. You tell me now. Uyangishiya umoya. Because you see, I didn't say I leave. Uyangishiya, guys. You
You did well. I really,
Peppermint.
if we're playing 30 seconds, you would have been nailing it. Trust me. You would
Really?
have been managing to break
Break
down
it
words
down.
and whatnot. So it's good. But no, it's not. It's not.
How?
It's not.
It's one
What
more
does it
magic
mean
word.
then?
It's not. It's an airplane.
What's Seyalimoya?
Like it just leaves with the wind. Like it goes.
What's
Going
that?
with the wind, and you just said that.
What did you
Literally,
know?
Going with the wind.
No,
Yeah, but like
I'm
in the word,
playing.
in-
Yeah,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
he was just like
You got it.
leave
Yeah.
with the wind.
You go with the wind. I don't know about the people. Maybe after the comments when they.
I think I got it,
they-
honestly.
They'll tell us if we're giving you a point.
Okay,
or
what's
not.
Silia? What's a direct translation of
Silia means
Sis?
like go.
Go. Oh, okay.
Go.
Like it goes with the wind.
wind.
Yeah,
Goes with the
like
wind.
direct translation.
Do I
She
get-
did well.
Do I get it?
No.
0.5%.
The right word, please. Musugro.
We'll hear from the people next time.
Musugropa.
Like,
Musugropa, guys.
It's okay.
Okay. Mosadi o tswara thipa ka bogaleng.
I know this one. I'm going to pin.
No,
I'm
I
gonna say it
have
one
to
more
hear
time.
it.
I'm gonna say it one more time. Mosadi o tswara thipa ka bogaleng.
Pala.
Okay, time.
It's women are strong. Like you. Inkinga uyibamba ngesandla sakho. Like you go in. Women are strong. It's like saying like impogodo. Like but you hold. Inkinga uyayibambe. Yeah, let me just go there. Like you don't care if whatever you just go and Hey guys, now it's in TV.
Well, I wanted to say something similar. Well, direct.
Can we see what you wrote? Can we see what you
Direct
wrote?
translation though, a wife holds an eye. You know, like that thing, okay, bro? So
We'll give you guys a point. Like women
So
are strong,
far-
pretty much. Women are strong.
Women are strong.
Women are strong.
This one goes
Guys.
like with direct translation as well. I think
It's a sentence. It can go. It's not like we have. He didn't
No,
say
but
do
it's
the
an idiom.
idiomatic
Idiom.
expression.
Idiom, you don't do direct translation.
No, the instruction.
Palesa doesn't want to give you a point.
Yeah, you know, it's
and then
people on this channel know.
Fourth person,
You have to.
they should get a point.
An idiom, you have to say what
True.
But I did say, I think I was
True,
writing.
understand.
I
What
wrote
I'm
it.
saying is true, but in this context, do we give a point?
Yeah, I think she gets a point.
This girl is too nice. I'm sure guys actually you should know you want. Hi guys. Okay.
Wow. You will stop asking it.
Alright.
Okay, so the other one, oh my timer, is Monna ke thaka wa napa.
Huh?
Monna.
Ki?
Monna ke thaka wa napa.
Idiomatic
Tag,
expression again. I Bruce, you can't.
So the next few are going to be.
I can't wait to hear what that means.
I was just like, a man must be humble or something.
I said
Total opposite of that.
a man is a man by his people or other men. Is that?
You guys are trying.
Yeah, how good.
The fact that the man Monna like he gives you like
Monna.
Is it something to do with
Tala.
strength then?
It's not Taba,
No.
Taba happy.
thaka.
Taka.
Mhm.
Weak.
Just like a pumpkin plant type of vibe. Like when it grows, it stretches and like it just flourishes type of vibe.
Ugnaba.
Like it means it just goes with.
Ugnaba, yeah, that's
Yeah,
what it
it's
means.
just, yeah.
I just didn't think. Okay, what's the?
So they, how do I cannot explain this in like.
So
one
how
word,
are we
but-
supposed to explain it if you can't explain
No,
it?
not in that sense. Man. Come on, what's wrong with you? But like, pretty much they use this the elderly in the past like to teach like women that like to withstand whatever a man does in marriage, because a man like could be dating you and then tomorrow like dating someone
Wait,
else.
I don't promote such on this channel.
Yeah.
I beg.
I know.
No.
But like it is a thing that was they used to teach women, like
Wait,
in a way.
please, guys,
Like he goes.
I'm against
like,
that.
he's-
Cancel
Bruce
that.
is cancelled.
He flourished.
I'm joking.
No way. No.
Cancel that.
I'm joking.
I can say it.
So we're cancelling the number 6. I'm joking.
No, we're not
Heck
canceling.
no.
We just
Heck no.
that we're not promoting that type of content. All right. Yes.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
Interesting one. Sebone thola boreledi teng ga yona wa ba.
What?
Sebone thola boreledi teng ga yona wa ba.
Yo, I wanna guys my language is Limpopo. I honestly sometimes I feel like it's from another country.
This is another idiom.
So what?
Sebone thola boreledi teng ga yona wa ba. Actions actually, so that's bad.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm telling you last time.
Okay, I said a peaceful woman is very hot.
That's a good one. Like that's just good as well. Like
I said something about her stomach being sore or bubbling.
okay, for a person who's closer to us, I don't know. But like, Palesa, you nailing it. I mean, like,
Oh, who's nailing in?
she's closer to us. Like, come
Oh,
on.
okay. I'm the one who's nailing it.
Yeah. Like,
Yes. Yeah.
I'm not saying you're right, though.
How busy, man.
Just because she comes up with interesting things. Please. She just comes up like a woman, a peaceful woman is hot. She just came up.
I feel like at this point, I'm gonna end up. I feel like she just has a point for this.
She just comes up with
But let me
interesting things.
let me say what it is.
I
Let me
try
say
each
what it
word.
is.
I try to decipher each word with what it means, and then I
Right.
try to like.
She does
break it
well.
down.
with
There was
this
something
whole
about babaring there.
Yeah, hot. It's hot.
thing. Boreledi. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but-
hot. Babaring.
Peaceful. Look on peace. Like it's
Teng. Isn't there a stomach there?
Teng, I go.
Actually, yeah. You did
Stomach
well
is
as well.
things.
Yeah.
Stomach is teng.
Yes.
How can teng can also
Like, it's not really a stomach, but like the inside, pretty much.
Intestine.
Like just the inside of a person. Okay, so
Oh.
in the context or the meaning of this, right,
Yeah.
is that don't judge a book by its cover, right?
Ah.
Don't look at a beautiful
Man, you
woman.
peaceful woman.
So there's this yellow. It's not a fruit, but it looks like a fruit. It's like a plant that doesn't go too tall, and it's like a marble kind of sized, and it's yellow. It's pretty, right? But it's bitter inside.
Oh.
So like, don't be deceived by the looks of a person.
Oh, okay. We have a.
They could be bitter on the inside. Just because they look beautiful doesn't mean
Are you sure
they're
that-
beautiful inside out.
Are you sure? We connect a match. The door show another. Oh,
Sebone thola boreledi teng ga yona wa ba.
Ungambona njena ngaphakathi
Okay.
or something.
Okay.
Bese ngiya guys, a peaceful don't
We're not gonna give you a point, but like
Peaceful,
I'm
bitter.
like I'm
Oh,
happy
Bruce
with
is
how
happy. Oh, Bruce is happy that Palesa was saying a peaceful woman, hot, what?
Like,
She
she
was
managed-
just
the
happy
fact that
about
I-
that.
No,
Please,
she managed to.
Number 8.
Hopefully peace happy like Bruce.
Number 8.
Okay, my age is a word is Segwagwa.
Segwagwa.
Just say what she's writing.
I just ugly because I just thought it's cocoa, man.
Yes, it's called community.
It's cocoa, like you know when you,
Khwa.
yes, you know when you
Actually.
when you cook, the thing that stays at the bottom.
Oh, I see.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. When you cook pap or yes, yes,
Oh.
the khwa. It's cocoa.
Lekgolo, we call it Lekgolo, I think.
Oh,
I said frog.
Segwagwa.
Yeah, that's right. It's a
A
frog.
frog.
It's a frog. Yeah, it's a frog.
Yeah, kusho I got to balance.
Hey, it's like I know this.
Hey.
This one, I know
Yeah,
it.
what's what happy nje?
Okay. Ngwana saleng o khwela tharing. Ngwana saleng o khwela tharing.
Ah, okay, I know it.
Time.
Can I directly translate?
You probably will nail it if you do.
A person who doesn't cry, if you don't cry or if you don't ask for help or you don't say what's wrong with you, you're gonna die or something is gonna happen. So it's important that you need to speak out when you have a problem.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Child.
So
Did you give up? Or did you?
I did okay.
Yes.
The child that doesn't cry, like
Ubalu
basically.
doesn't cry.
No, I didn't finish.
Let's see first.
They have a
Let's
cat.
see.
Guys,
You
They
didn't
have a
say everything. You said more
You
than
bali
this.
na,
Yeah, now I'm
Let's
to the
see.
point.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically,
Usaqala
when there's
nje
smoke,
ngisho.
there's fire. No.
This is very-
When there's smoke, there's fire. Basically, a child that doesn't cry, there's something wrong if the child's not crying.
Oh, the smoke is fine.
There's something wrong with the child.
There's something
Wrong.
wrong. Like if
Wrong.
when there's smoke, there's fire, man. Come on.
Wrong.
Okay.
Yeah, that's wrong.
Palesa is correct.
Yeah, mom. Yeah, mom.
Alright.
You gotta speak up. You gotta speak
But
up.
I said a child that doesn't cry. That's something. It's there
Yeah.
somewhere.
But your direction was just it was a little bit off. But you were headed the right way, but you
And then I-
deviated. You took the left. You must choose the right all the time. The word is Lekgolo.
Yo, I don't know this. What?
Lekgolo.
You tell me, guy, you're roasting the dinner.
What the?
We can't.
I've been distracted myself with the time.
Damn, I don't know.
I'm so many cats name, man.
It's fine. I gave you guys an extra time.
Yeah.
Extra time. The other person.
Loot.
Root. White person.
No.
Don't you call it Lekgolo?
Lekgolo.
What is
This is Lekgolo.
Oh!
Damn, Bruce.
The way you like,
Bruce
the way you
came
like,
for us.
no,
No.
the way you
I
like
was
went
so
so
confident.
fast with it.
He was so
She went
confident.
fast, she went fast
Damn,
with
you
it.
were fighting with me, child. You were just like.
What you even do? What you write? What you
What's that,
write?
Lutz, or nothing?
Nothing.
Is that like you?
Well, nothing,
Nothing
no.
is an answer, or you didn't write in nothing? Is
I
that
wrote
what-
nothing because I don't know.
Oh. What if nothing was right? It's not, but like.
Yeah!
Okay, Lekgolo is 100.
100?
Yeah.
Ikulu.
Oh!
It's 100.
Terrible.
It's
Bonus
not-
question. When I name it, do it, guys.
Okay, the person who wins the
I'm killing
bonus.
the game.
The person who wins the bonus question wins the game.
Guys, I sense kanjalo. Ngiyawina manje mina.
Kuphi?
Nginama answer mina hashisayo la sengwashilo please.
Okay, I've got like an option of like a
word.
very difficult one or a very easy one.
Very difficult.
Are you sure?
Very easy.
Very difficult.
Okay, Palesa.
You want a very difficult one?
I want a very easy one.
Okay, let's do a very
Let's do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, so you wanted the tough one.
Guys, I
Okay.
said it today.
Okay, they asked
it
for the
is
tough
my
one.
day.
You honor
Okay,
rock,
they asked for
Palesa.
it. Oh, she won for it, and it's gonna be tough. It's
It should be interesting.
okay, it's Tala leratadima.
Yeah. Setting yourself up for failure. When I'm
Yeah, you did. You
It's actually
did. I'll
the
tell you
answer.
the one that was like easy actually.
Sun likes darkness.
Alright.
Okay, what did you come up with?
Not that I know the answer, but that just sounds like something. There's something there about something that engavutwanga, like you know, like it's raw or something. Itala, or something green or something that's raw or something like that. Engavutwanga, something like that's not ripe.
You need them again.
No, but like I get what you're saying. I get where
You
you're
need
going.
them to
I get what you're going. So
And
this is the
that's
color. This is the color.
Green.
No.
It's a color.
Green or blue? Isn't
That
it?
whole thing is a color.
Yeah.
Green
Alright,
or blue?
guys,
But some
it's
people,
blue.
It's blue.
when they say green, they mean blue.
No, it's blue. Tala morojo will be green.
You see, but then Tala is
Color.
Is Tala color or the whole phrase is color?
What do you mean? Blue is like Tala leratadima.
I sentence pale.
Oh, that's what it is. You got
1,
three.
2, 3,
You
4.
are 3 as well.
Yeah,
3,
three.
guys. It's a tie.
We ding
It's
a
a tie.
deciding round.
The word is.
Elenzima.
The word is Selepe.
Isn't that concrete or foundation?
No.
I was also
What?
thinking that direction.
I've run out of ideas.
Slap. Slap.
But I know this
How
word.
severe,
Is it
how severe,
chocolate?
how severe is the slap?
Yes,
What-
yes, hon.
What can you do?
No,
Well, it's not really.
It's
I'm
not
just
slap,
trying to-
please.
Yeah, it's not. But like,
How?
Drop.
Bruce said it's under and then every
I like how you think. That's
it
it.
brings you down.
I like how you
Yeah, well,
think. It just gets to me.
It's intense.
I can just tell you. It's fine.
What's the word? What does it mean, Bruce?
Selepe, it's an X.
An X.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I would have never guessed that.
Good.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for even coming to the channel and doing the challenge with me, even though I won. I know I'm the smarter.
That's fun knowing Sepedi.
But yeah, it was fun.
But
like I
Bruce
learned
was
a lot.
How was that unfair, though?
I learned a lot.
He
I learned
came
a lot.
with these deep idioms.
Guys, comment down below.
Guys, who
Yeah,
won? Me or
I
Palesa?
won.
Fair
I
and
won.
square.
I believe I was fair.
Comments.
I did my
Like,
job.
Oh
I knew I was
yeah.
asked.
I think. Yeah. People can comment
Yeah.
on who won based on everything.
Please, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Come back again next time and watch.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Subscribe.